Hello, you beautiful people. This is Mahesh Naidu from Skill School Online. And here we are again, looking at designing something for Twitter. What we are going to do is design a Twitter header, right? There is something called a Twitter post, but we'll concentrate on the Twitter header. Now, if you've seen my other videos, canva.com is the place I go to design canva.com for the people who haven't watched my previous videos. And once you're there, you go to the top left corner, create a design, and then you have all these templates that populate here. And when you go down, you can see Twitter header. Now, once you click on this, it's going to take you to another page. Here's the page with the tab. So the canvas over here is the updated Twitter dimensions. If you see closely, this is the profile picture and you can design around it. And since this profile picture is something which is an overlay, it will not disturb it gives you a reference point so that you know what's going to be behind the profile picture and what you would like not to get hidden away. The beauty again is Canva has a lot of templates which you can choose from, and so that you can have reference on the design too. Let us look at something which is close to creating a cafe. I've taken the cafe idea since I just want to be a little consistent. So the cafe idea sounds good. Here we are. If you can see, we have something called a French connection over here, or something else which has a little more food oriented template. Okay, here we are. So something called wasabi. Okay, so now we're going to click on this, and once we click on it, it just falls into place. Now, if you notice, the overlay is going to show you what comes behind the profile picture, and since this image is supposed to be paid for, you can get another image from another place. Now, there are many places to get images, so let's just take this image out. All right, let's just take this image out over here. Okay, so we have two images over here, two placeholders, and we have one section that has the text, which you can figure out. I'm just gonna click on this and just say a cafe. Now we have another one which says, let's just leave it as sushi and talking about. It says open now, reservations by email. Okay, these things are fine. Now what we need are two images that are free. Now we don't have to credit anybody for these images, and we don't have to pay. So I suggest that we go to a place called Unsplash. All right. So we have unsplash.com. All right, which has a lot of images that are of a pretty high resolution, and it's pretty amazing. So I just say food over here, food, and you have plenty of images that have something related to food. Okay. Now, when we go back, I'd rather take this, download it over here, and then the only problem is that I have to resize it because it's a little bit, it's a huge resolution. That I shall teach you in another video, a separate video about resizing. But for now, let us just go to Canva and see how we can actually use Canva to the fullest. So we needed two images. That's what we're looking at here. Let's go to, so we're in layouts over here. And so we go to elements. In the elements section, we click on free photos. And then we look for food. We can always search for that in the search bar over there. I'm just looking at something which you can quickly get. So, okay, so we have something over here. So I'm just going to drag and drop it. It's that easy, right? And then you can position it by double clicking over here, and you can position it how the handles allow you to. Okay, and then you say you enter, and then you look for something else because we need two images. So we look for something else which gives that cafe. Well, it says sushi and sake, but I'm putting coffee over there, but that doesn't matter. I'm just looking at. Okay, here we go. This is something else which is free, and I'm just going to take it and drag it into the placeholder over here, and then see if I can double click over there and move it around. All right, and then click, and then click outside, and you have your Twitter header. So I know it is not sushi and sake to start with, but you get the idea. So this is how we create the Twitter header, and all you need to do is download this. Uh, it says recommended, the PNG. I'd rather go for the PNG. I'll just download this particular image and upload it onto Twitter, and that's as easy as it can ever get. So thank you for watching. Keep watching my other videos, and please do subscribe